is FashionProdigyFP, and today we are back again with a new video starring our new Cafe DN squishies. As you know, Cafe DN has produced many different types of squishies over the course of many different years, and so far we have 3 different series of Cafe DN. So we're going to show you some differences between the old and the new, and also show you what we have. Okay, so first of all, we have this ice cream squishy. So this is the tag. So this is the new one. Okay, this is the one that's produced this year, and this one is the one that was produced in 2013. Okay, to me, the one that was produced in 2013 is slightly more squishy, but this one is more like aesthetically pleasing, but it's quite squishy too. Okay, so this, and you can tell the ice cream color. This one is of a darker shade of pink, and this one is quite light. Okay, then next we have this Cafe DN ice cream squishy. And this is the tag. So this one is the new one as well, and you can compare the other tags. And next we have this macaron squishy. Okay, this is the one that was produced quite long ago. As you can tell, this is the new one and this is the old one. As you can tell, the tags are of different colors. This one is more purple and this one is more blue. So that's how you can tell whether it's new or old, by the color of the tags. And okay, there's a new burger squishy. It's like the quarter pounder sold at McDonald's. So you have the tomato, cheese, pickles, and the bun. It's pretty squishy, and I love it. Okay, so this is the new one as well. Okay, next we have this Cafe DN cake slice. It's quite small compared to my hand, and it's quite squishy. And this one is the new one. Okay, lastly we have this even older version of I don't know what you call it. Okay, this is a cupcake with really thick cream. So it's really, okay, it's not that squishy, but it is quite squishy in a way. Like not those really slow rising type, but it's still pretty squishy. Okay, so right here we have 3 different series of Cafe DN. So the one in the middle is the one that's produced like around this year. This one is the one that's produced quite long ago. As you can tell, the stripes are horizontal while these ones are vertical, and this one is of a totally different color from this one. So this one's produced in 2013, this one this year, and this one even older. So this is all we have for you today, and we hope that you will contact us if you're interested in buying any of these squishies. Okay, bye!